Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're finally going to take a follow-up look at the two watchgang black watches I received for July 2018. I decided to do just one video for both watches because I actually got the same watch, little different color combos, but these are the Nautis Dive Chrono 500s. I'm actually wearing the Coke bezel Dive Chrono 500 right now, and this one is, the model number on this one is a 17065J. We'll pull out the other one here, which I got a green bezel with some yellow accents there. We got yellow second hand, little yellow on the 24-hour clock. Here we have the Chrono subdials. As you see, once we start it up, the second hand will start ticking away, and the minutes will start to pass by. I have a question. If this one's a Coke bezel and there's Pepsi bezels, does that one make this one a Sprite bezel or a 7-Up bezel? All right, that was a little lame. I get it. So these both are 316L stainless steel, the case and bracelet. It does have solid end links. It's got that fold over safety clasp logo. No logo on the crown. It does have a screw down crown. It has a unidirectional rotating bezel, sapphire crystal in this one, and that helium escape valve right there. This is mostly a brush look. There's not a whole lot of polish to it, although it does have a nice little bit of a shine. So this one is 50 ATM water resistant. It is 500 meters water resistant, so you definitely could get this one, should be able to get this one wet without any issues. It is using a Citizen Myota chronographed quartz movement, and I'm not sure which movement is actually in this one. I'm not going to unscrew the case back just to take a look at the movement, but that's the only description I have on this one. It is a 45 millimeter case, and that's how it looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. It does have Super Luminova for the Lume, but we're going to go dark real quick, take a look at the Lume, and then we will come back in the light. All right, so as you can see, the Lume's already going a little bit. Do my usual, hit it with the black light, see how bright we can get them here. Not too bad. I like that there is Lume on those subdials on the hands. Not too bad. All right, so back in the light, there's another look at the green bezel. Not sure which one I like more. You guys all have to let me know in the comments below which one you guys like a little bit better. I will say, overall, for my $99 subscription, I actually don't think this is a bad watch at all. I know some people really hate on the quartz, but I don't know. For me, it's nice to grab a watch, not really have to set it too much, and just roll on with life. Throw it on and bounce out in the morning. So I'm not that bothered by quartz. If you go to Nautis' website, these watches, their full retail on them is $375. I found a ton of them on eBay, but they were all in that $200 range, which seems to be kind of what everyone's trying to get out of them. I saw a few that were being auctioned off in the $60 to $100 range, so who knows where those are going to end up. But I think if you could get this one close to $100, $150, I think you would actually be pretty happy with it. Overall, I think it is not a bad piece for my subscription. Ooh, there's one thing I wanted to show you guys. If you look at those, the way the end links meet up with the case is not very consistent. That was one thing I did notice that bothered me a little bit on this, which is too bad because the bracelet itself is pretty nice. It just seemed like it needed a little bit of tweaking, a little bit more fit and finish on the ends. And actually, if I can angle right, it is the same way on this one as well. So other than that, I didn't find a whole lot that I was really going to pick apart on these. So like I said, not too bad for my $99 subscription. I actually like both of them. I kind of lean more to the green and yellow combo just because it's not something you see as much. But let me know what you guys think of these ones in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.